So today we're making DIY bubbles. If you want to see how we make it, then stick around to the end. So here's what you'll need to make the bubble solution. You'll need a spoon for mixing, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a cup of hot water. Make sure to let your parents help with that. And half a cup of dish liquid of your choice, and room temperature water, and a bowl. And don't forget the bowl to mix it. So now it's time to mix the bubble solution. Put the sugar into the hot water and then slowly mix it and do it right. And make sure when you mix it, and when you're finished mixing, make sure to take a good look at the cup to see if it's fully diluted. And now I'm going to put the room temperature water into the mixing bowl. And now it's time to pour in the hot water. Because I don't want to get burned, I will ask my mommy to do it for me.
So we're going to gently pour the hot water solution into the mixing bowl.
And finally, pour in the dish liquid. And now we're gonna mix it slowly. And now it's time to get my bubble blower.
So what we're going to do now is add some of the bubble solution into the container for the bubble blower. And it will be time for the fun part.
Blowing bubbles.
I should just fill it up this way. There you go, that's much quicker.
And now let's see if it works. Bubbles!
bubbles.
Very
Well, let's
fun.
do a shade so you can see. And guys, that's how you make your DIY bubble maker.
Bubbles.
This here is for kids and the kids at heart. You can have your bubble fun.
Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't.
Bye.